Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi, one of the founder members and president of MESCO and MESCO Education Society, is no more. He passed away on 9th January 2021 in Mumbai due to COVID-19 complications. His passing away is a great loss to MESCO Education Society, and entire humanity. Dr. Qureshi was highly passionate about the vision and mission of MESCO and MESCO Education Society. He was of the opinion that the more you can contain your ego, the more realistic you are about your issues. He valued ideas from his colleagues and staff and was always willing to hear them patiently. Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi was self-disciplined and promoted a culture where his colleagues and staff became disciplined. As a president of both the organizations, he always took calculated decisions without getting carried away. He was the perfect president. Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi was an extraordinary leader, a powerful orator, and an Urdu lover who passed away at the age of 76. He was a wonderful person, enlightened, versatile, illustrious, warm, and assuring. Under his able leadership, MESCO and MESCO Education Society has created quite a revolution in the field of social work and education in Mumbai and its suburban areas. Since 52 years, MESCO is helping the underprivileged. MESCO provides educational support, medical care, women empowerment, and food to the poorest of the poor and most marginalized. His association with MESCO and MESCO Education Society spanned more than 5 decades. For any organization to function successfully, the person at the helm of affair has to be responsible-minded, completely knowledgeable, balanced, and broad-minded. And Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi had all these qualities in abundance. He was a very down-to-earth person, liberal-minded, and open to innovation. What is remarkable about him was his fluency and eloquence in both English and Urdu languages, and his deliveries were excellent. MESCO Education Society's Crescent English High School and Junior College in Kausa Mumra was very special to him. This beautiful school is the outcome of the vision of Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi and his colleagues.
हमारा ये आइडिया था कि क्यों ना हम एक बेहतरीन स्कूल बनाकर गरीबों को इस स्कूल में पढ़ाएं ताकि उनको मालूम पड़े कि एनवायरनमेंट कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। ये मालूम पड़े कि यहाँ पर अच्छे एम्बियंस से अच्छे माहौल से उनको ये पता चलेगा कि किस तरह से आगे ज़िंदगी बिताएं। हमारी ये कोशिश रही है कि इन बच्चों में कौमियत जो है वो ज़ाहिर हो, इनको अपने मुल्क का, अपनी कौम का, अपनी फैमिली का एक मोहब्बत बने, ईमानदार रहें ये, और आगे चल के हिंदुस्तान की जो डेवलपमेंट है वो उसका एक हिस्सा बने।
He had a dream to establish another A+ quality educational institution on the same lines of Crescent English High School and Junior College.
अब मेरी एक दरख्वास्त है लोगों से कि ये जो हम नया प्लॉट जो हमें अलॉट किया गया है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने, इसमें जो बिल्डिंग तामीर होगी उसमें हमारे से ताउन करें ताकि ये जो स्कूल बने, जो ये हमारी जो दूसरी कोशिश है बेहतरीन स्कूल बनाने की, ये कामयाब हो।
Radiant English High School is that dream that we need to realize for him. MESCO and MESCO Education Society was so fortunate to have him as the president. Surely, in his departure, MESCO and MESCO Education Society has lost a leader who knitted both the organizations together and played a pivotal role of leadership in bringing it to the zenith of success. Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi was a doctor by profession. He did his MBBS from the prestigious Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. For his academic excellence, he was awarded the coveted Patnaik Scholarship for standing first in medicine in the final year college examinations. He was one of those doctors who worked in the slums of Dharavi, the largest slum of Asia. He devoted all his resources and earnings to help the poor and the needy. Dr. Qureshi was buried at the Mahim Qabristan. We will miss him sorely. Our sympathies to his dear wife, daughter, and family members. May his soul rest in peace, and may he get the best place in paradise. For any person to carry on with his mission, the support of the family is vital. Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi's family was instrumental in helping him carry on with his good work. On its way, the sacrifices that they made were innumerable. We would like to thank them and acknowledge their support. Dr. Azhar Ali Qureshi was well known in different stratas and circles of the society. On his sad demise, we received a number of condolence messages, too many to share. Here are a few excerpts from the ones received. He has left behind a rich legacy. The seed that was sown 5 decades ago has flourished into a big tree. Now it is up to the Mescoites to nurture it and let it continue to grow bigger and stronger. He has taught us that legacy is not leaving something for people. It is leaving something in people. May Allah give him maghfirah. May Allah forgive him and have mercy on him. May Allah reward him many folds for his services towards society and for all his good deeds. Ameen.
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है। बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदवर पैदा, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदवर पैदा।